Hey ladies, Shay here with another video. This one's gonna be a little different. I am going to just show you guys how to prep your hair for crochets. So I'm gonna show you guys how to prep your hair because I know most of my videos they start out with I already got my cornrows going, and so I think I've seen in the comments one time about, oh, she didn't moisturize it. Well, I do a whole routine before I do the cornrows. So I don't have to do that, and then I maintain throughout the install. So I'm just going to show you guys what I do. Now here I have washed my hair. Dang, I don't have it. Anyway, I washed my hair with this, what's this brand? It's Cactus Water. This is the leave-in conditioner, but that's the shampoo brand. And then this is the leave-in conditioner that I use because it doesn't have any alcohol in it. Do you know how hard it is to find any kind of conditioner and any kind of leave-in conditioner that doesn't have alcohol in it? Just go try. Go try. I stood in Walgreens, like, walking back and forth, like, forever, like, to the point that employees was walking by, like, is she stealing? But anyway, I haven't detangled my hair or anything. What I did was I washed it with this, the shampoo, and then I got my husband's t-shirt and dried it. I haven't detangled it or anything. I pretty much know you probably know how to detangle your hair, but just in case you don't, like, I'll show you just a little bit of it. What I'm going to do is just kind of speed through that part so you can just kind of see. But basically, I'm just going to put it in the sections, spray the leave-in conditioner in there to detangle it, and then I'm going to go section by section, and I'll break that down to for you. I won't fast forward past that part, but I'm going to use the organic version of unrefined coconut oil and use that as a moisturizing oil. And then of course I already have my leave-in conditioner on there, and then when I'm done with that, I'm going to seal it all with grapeseed oil. I don't keep it in this big bottle. I have a small bottle of it that I just pour in, but I wanted y'all to see the bottle. If you can see the glare out the window, there it is. This acts as a sealing oil. It's very, very good. It's not too heavy on your hair, like where it leaves it just really, really greasy, but it does seal in the moisture that you need to, for your hair to withstand the install and for your hair to continue to be a protective style, basically. So, all right, so y'all ready to get into it? Cue the music. This might not work for everybody. Like I said, I know that I have really fine hair. Some people have thicker hair, more coarser hair. For that reason, like if you have an issue detangling your hair, try these few things, because my daughter, she has massive hair. If y'all see any of those Mixed Kids Chronicles videos that I do, you know she has a lot of hair. So when I detangle her hair, I use the Tangle Teaser brush. So get you one of those if you have a thick head of hair. This will change your life. It went from us detangling her hair, and it took at least 2 hours to like 30 minutes, okay? And then also the coconut oil. I know some people can't use coconut oil. Some people are allergic to coconut. So if you can't use this, swap this out for vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very good as well. It helps detangling the hair. You still do the same thing. Get you a leave-in conditioner that has no alcohol in it, and use something else to oil it, like a moisturizing oil. And vitamin E is one of those as well. So you can swap that out with that. So now what I'm going to do is go in and seal my hair, especially the ends. You'll see I'm even going to add a little bit more coconut oil to my ends, because I definitely want to make sure that those stay moisturized. And then I'm going to go in with the grapeseed oil and put on top of that to seal everything. Now, I'm not going to use heat on my hair because I rarely do. But, you know, I do understand that if you're doing this the day of the install, then you're kind of in a rush for your hair to dry. So for that reason, I mean, you can sit up on a hooded dryer for a while if you wanted to, and, you know, diffuse your hair or whatever you're going to do. But me personally, I don't use heat on the hair unless it's an occasion. Like I might be trying to do a length check or something, but outside of that, I rarely use heat on my hair. So anyway, I do want to do a length check though, a little that I can. So for this to be, you know, it started out being like a pixie cut, meaning it was shaved in the back like completely. Let's see. And sorry I got makeup on my shirt because I was washing my hair. But it's right here. Like that's my armpit. So a little under, my armpit's right here. So a little bit under armpit length. So that's pretty good. That's really good. And you know, my edge is still intact, everything. So yeah. So the protective styles have been doing their job. So I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it at all. Now, just let my hair air dry. It'll be good and moisturized. Ends will be good. So if you have any questions, any concerns, whatever, hit me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, especially since we have this giveaway coming up. And again, thank you guys for all your love and support. Peace and blessings.